Hey guys, first, thanks for the show. It's just amazing. Thank you very much, Pablo. Second, and not related to tech, Lou, I want to know if you think Kawhi's going to stay in Toronto or Uncle Dennis has another thing to say. I'm a Spurs fan and not angry anymore with Kawhi and glad to have DeMar. Regards. So we're talking, of course, about Kawhi Leonard in Toronto. Toronto Raptors, go Toronto Raptors. Game 3 coming up soon, shortly. There's a rumor that Kawhi bought some property in Toronto. Look, I don't know if he's going to stay or not. I already reached out on Twitter. I said, look, I'll be your personal tech expert, tech support, right here, if necessary, to push you over, over the top, your decision. But obviously that's not enough to do it. We're talking more about money for one, payment terms. Apparently Toronto can offer more money than anywhere else. And then also competition. The guy likes to win. Being in the NBA Finals doesn't hurt. And that happened this year. And it happened on this team. Now, maybe he feels like, hey, I could go to any team and recreate that. That's quite possible. I know his family's also important to him. And they're all, of course, in California. That said, when you play for a team, you're on the road so much. How much does it matter? Like, how much time do you spend in the city of your home team versus other cities or the off season where you can live wherever you want? Like, you could have a house in California in the off season. So I'll give it a 50-50. I'll give it a coin flip. I'll say 50% yes, 50% no. And then, of course, that percentage would increase if they win the title. Then I would make an adjustment to that. But as of right now, 1-1 in the series, I'm saying 50-50 on Kawhi staying in Toronto.